Alright, today we're going to work on is this laptop here, this Toshiba laptop, and then we're going to do that. We're going to take this hard drive. We ain't going to install that just yet. We're going to put the SSD in here. So what we're going to do is, and then here's the hard drive. Solid state drive. We're just going to take, we're going to remove these screws. I think it would help if I had some more light. Now that I got the screws undone, comes out of the caddy. Caddy goes on this other hard drive. This 16 gigabyte hard drive goes in the enclosure. This 32 gigabyte is going to be removed and placed in here. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go like that. Some of these hard drives, they kind of change the designs of it. It's upside down sometimes, and yeah, it's kind of weird. There we go, finally. Now it's in there, see. So now, that we got that bad boy in there, we're going to slot this back over the top. We're going to install, since it's an older machine and the customer wants something new and they're tired of Windows, we're going to go with Linux. Alright, now we're going to have to plug this in because the battery is dead. Let's see here. We're done with that. Alright, I gotta go make a flash disk. We got the flash drive set up. Now we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna get, guess I can go ahead and turn that off now. F12 maybe. And then we go to USB memory. Let's see. Alright, we're going to go install Linux here now. I guess it'll execute. So I can turn this off now. Alright, so we go to English. So she goes and speaks English, yes. English. Dang, that USB 2 is slow. Holy cow. Got a whole bunch of networks here. I got it. Alright, we're going to erase the entire disk because she don't care about nothing on there anyway. After we swapped it out, it was just nothing. There ain't nothing on there anyway. Let's see. Erase the entire disk and install now. Now we're going to go Chicago time. We're going to go continue. And then we're going to go to... not put her name in there. She don't. I don't think. I asked her before I did this. I want to say user. And then she has a whole bunch of people using the computer anyway, and she told me to put in whatever password. So we're gonna log in automatically. She don't want to have to go about that. So we're gonna hit that again. Alright. Now it's installing. Now we wait. Unless y'all want to watch this as paint dries. Y'all want to watch this? No, I didn't think so. Look at that. All that processing of installation files. This is what it looks like. You can listen to music and do all that stuff. You don't have to pay a premium for Windows. You got an older computer, it's especially great on it. Less waste. This is an older computer from, I think it's like 2007, 2008. I don't know. She's not in the mood to buy a new computer. She said, yeah, just put Linux on it. I'm like, okay. And then you got, see, it's like AMD Turion. That's pretty doggone old. That's like 2007, dude. I mean, 2000. It does have a Vista sticker on here. So, I sure as heck wouldn't put Vista on here. They don't update it no more. There's no point. I mean, that's what she had on here was one of this Vista. And, the Vista ain't no good. It's got a dead-ass battery in it. Buy one off eBay for $10 probably. Let's see. And you can do it. You got like, say, well, while it's installing, I'm gonna show y'all around here. Let's see. Right here, y'all got. You see, you got all kinds of cool stuff on here. You got calculator, which is obvious. Let's see. Accessories. You got this right here, which is like Photoshop, which is pretty neat. You can organize your images with this thing called Pix, Simple Scan with a scanner. And then you got this internet web browser like Firefox and Thunderbird, which is pretty cool. Media player, install media codec, Rhythm Box, which is like media player. It's all about the same. You can put VLC on here. I think it's got that on here. Office. LibreOffice, I totally recommend LibreOffice. It's great. It's just as good as Microsoft Office. A lot of this other stuff is just stuff the average user won't use. So then you got system stuff. You got Drive Manager and all that. There's pretty cool stuff going on here. There ain't much in here either. So I mean, like you can go in here. And then this little software manager, you can install what you want, like on the iPhones and Android devices. You can install what you want through there, through their ecosystem, and it's easier to install through there too. So, I mean, instead of having to go through a terminal, you just install through there. But like I said, she's going to be using it for PDF files and browsing on the internet. She don't really care. So she says she don't care what operating system it is. I gave her a 14-day warranty. If she likes it, she can bring it back to me and I'll refund her money. Because I know how people are. They're diehard Windows or Mac or whatever users, and I'm not going to go and convert somebody. I like to give somebody the idea that there's something else out there, instead of having to deal with something they don't want to deal with. I don't necessarily want to have to deal with anymore or having issues with, and what it is there's not much advertising on it. So anyhow, that's about it. So, me rambling. So I'm going to cut this off here and I'm going to boot it back up. But the booting, it's a booting. I can't do anything because it's a booting. Break ba do. I can't do it because it's a booting. Alright, let's boot it up. Boot it up. Djibouti. Do not remind her about this. She don't care about this. Let's see. Alright, see, you got it. See, it looks pretty much like Windows. Alrighty. Now, about that software manager, we're going to drag and drop it up here. Replace all. And see, it's right here. Software manager. Then mark executable. Alright. See, here's your app store. And you can even get Google Earth. And you can get all this stuff like Dropbox and all the stuff you pretty much would like to use. Programming apps, they got accessories and fonts. I mean, whatever it is you pretty much need, you can search for it. They got Inkscape and 3D printer software. It's just amazing. So you got media codecs. It's like office supplies. Oh, office apps, I mean. Anyhow, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.